Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to promote my new book in Java programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can purchase my newly published book this 2022 on Introduction to Java Programming. So recently my book was being published by Unlimited Books Library Services and Publishing Incorporated here in the Philippines. The title of my book is Introduction to Computer Programming with Java. So in this book I teach the reader about fundamentals, what is computer programming, history, computer programming, programming languages, flowcharts, pseudocode, and then introduction to Java programming. So basic commands in Java, conditional statements, looping statements, arrays, strings, exception handling, and the appendix section I provide a simple database CRUD application in Java that uses text file. The book is very affordable. It is only 700 pesos. So here is the link of my book in unlimited books.ph.com, no? So I will put a link in the video description where you can download, where you can visit the website of my publisher and then you can purchase my book on Introduction to Computer Programming with Java. I hope that you will support my book by purchasing. It is ideal for anyone, students or hobbyists or anybody who would like to learn basic Java programming and fundamentals of computer programming. Thank you so much in advance for your support, and then see you in the next video tutorial guys. So don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.